Hey everyone, today I'm sharing my experience with the Navage Nasal Irrigation System. I've personally struggled with seasonal allergies and sinus congestion all my life, so I was excited to try this bundle. Setting up the Navage system was straightforward. I simply filled the tank with distilled water, popped in a salt pod, and attached the nasal dock. The suction action might feel a little strange initially, but it's easy to get used to, and after a few uses, you'll notice it makes a big difference. After using it for a few weeks, I've noticed my sinuses feel much clearer, especially in the mornings. The saline solution helps wash away allergens, which has significantly improved my seasonal congestion. I also find it refreshing, and I think it helps me breathe a bit easier, particularly on days when my allergies are acting up. One drawback is that you have to use the Navage proprietary salt pods, which adds an ongoing cost if you use it regularly. I would prefer a refillable option to customize the saline mixture, but the included pods do make it very convenient to use. Overall, the Navage nasal irrigation system has been a great addition to my routine for keeping my sinuses clear. It's easy to use and effective. My sinuses are much happier. So if you struggle with sinus congestion or allergies, I'd recommend giving this a try. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to get more helpful product reviews.